Today, I will explain to you the installation of the bottom guard of the car. Install the three-way catalytic converter guard first. 4 pieces on the card mandatory. Then take the bottom guard plate for installation. Put 7 screws on the bottom guard. The same installation on the left side. A splice plate on the right side of the bottom guard on the card. Put 2 screws on. Then install the middle rear axle guard and apply 2 screws. Install the rear lower support shelter plate again. 2 buckles on the card. Same installation on the left. Then put on 2 lower bi screws each. Put 5 G screws on the bottom plate of the mounting tail. Then take the engine bilge guard for installation. The front section is stuck on the bumper. Then hit the 3 screws at the back. Then apply 1 screw in front of the bottom guard and 4 screws on the right. At the same time, apply a screw on the right side of the body guard. 3 screws on the left side and 1 screw on the left side of the bottom guard of the body. The bottom guard is installed. Follow me to learn more about the automotive production process.